Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. We are already known about the introduction of aldehyde, ketones, their general formulas, then nomenclature of aldehyde and ketones, then classification of aldehyde and ketones, and we also studied the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Our today's topic is physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Students, in physical properties, we have to study the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Firstly, we study the physical properties of aldehyde. The first member of aldehyde is formaldehyde. The common name is formaldehyde and IUPAC name is methanol. This member is gas at room temperature. This member is gas at room temperature, and the 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. The formula of formaldehyde is RC double bond OH. This formaldehyde is gas at room temperature, and its 40% aqueous solution is known as formalin. This formalin is used as a reducing agent in silvering of mirrors and decolorizing of wet dyes. Students, when you goes to the biology or zoology lab, then you see this some species are kept in a bottle and some chemicals is used. That chemicals is a formalin. These species are preserved in formalin solution. Formalin means 40% aqueous solution of methanol or formaldehyde. This is the first physical property. The second physical property is about ethanol. Ethanol means, see here this ethanol has the formula CH3CHO. This is also called the acetaldehyde. It is a volatile liquid. What is ethanol? Is a volatile liquid, and other aldehyde and ketones are maybe liquid or solid at room temperature. This is a second property. Third property is about the boiling point. Fourth property is also about boiling point, but in third property we compare the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone with hydrocarbon and ether. Here the boiling point of aldehyde and ketones is higher than the hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular masses. Why the boiling point of aldehyde and ketones is higher than the comparable hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular masses? This is due to high magnitude of dipole-dipole interaction. Due to high dipole-dipole interaction, boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is higher than ether and hydrocarbon, which has the comparable molecular mass. The fourth property, physical property, is also related with boiling point, but in this case the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is lower than the alcohol. Here, why the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is lower than the alcohol? Because the absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In alcohol, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present, and such a type of hydrogen bonding is absent in aldehyde and ketones. Or fifth property is lower member of aldehyde and ketones are miscible with water due to formation of hydrogen bond with water. However, solubility decreases with increasing length of alkyl group. Students, see in fourth property, the aldehyde and ketones also miscible with water and forms the hydrogen bond, but the formation of hydrogen bond is less than the alcohol. Hence, the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is less than the alcohol. Here, in fifth property, the aldehyde and ketones, lower member of aldehyde and ketones are miscible with water due to formation of hydrogen bond with water. but the solubility decreases with increase in length of carbon chain. That means when there is an increase in carbon chain or carbon atom, the solubility decreases. That means higher members have difficulty with to miscible in water. The sixth property is acetophenone is hypnotic. Hypnotic means the drug which produces sleep. The patient which has the problem of sleeping, for that the doctor suggests this medicine or drugs. The name of the drug is hyponone. That is, we know that a ketone, in this way this is a hyponone. This is a sleep producing drugs, and acetophenone is used as a hypnotic. In this way we can see the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. See here the quick review about the physical properties. The first about methanol. Methanol is a gas at a room temperature and 40% aqueous solution known as a formalin, which is used as a preservative or reducing agent. Second is a property about ethanol. Ethanol is a volatile liquid. Another aldehyde or ketone may be solid or liquid at room temperature. Third and fourth property related with boiling point. In third property, boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is higher than hydrocarbon and ether, which has the comparable molecular mass. And in fourth property, boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is lower than the alcohol having the comparable molecular mass. This is due to the absence of due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The higher member of aldehyde and ketones have the difficulty to form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water. The fifth property is lower member of aldehyde and ketones are miscible in water, forming hydrogen bond. However, solubility decreases with increasing number of carbon chain or number of carbon atoms. And last property is acetophenone is hypnotic, that is sleep producing drugs, which is used in medicine and known as a hyponone. In this way we can see the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones. Students, I hope you